Okay, I thought I'd just show you how the scrubber, water-fed scrubber with the
Only on 35. That's a fast
doodlebug
one, yeah.
pad that's on it. I adapted it to a water-fed, and I had to scrub quite hard here because this glass has got moth droppings on it, and it's apparently very hard to get off. So if I'm scrubbing a lot, that's why. But it's certainly easier to use than a brush. See how it gets right in the corners there and right on the sides. And of course it makes it much easier too using a swivel, the new swivel that I've got. Go across here, like that. You can go sidewards to scrub, just little scrubs there. It's no up and down motion. You've got very good control also because of the scrubber being close to the glass, not like if you have a brush. You have to try to agitate the brush to get the scrubbing power. So just do here, see how it goes right in the apex there, cleans very good. And a little bit more there, and as you can see it flushes it out too. That's the beauty of this, the water just cascades down, no need to have a rinsing bar or anything like that. That's sufficient. And I suppose, well, that's about it.